Which one is it gonna be? Which one is it gonna be? Is it gonna be Brian's Skyline? Is it gonna be Letty's Challenger? I'm sorry. Or is it gonna be Brian's Evo? Decisions. You know what? I think we're gonna go with Dom's Buick Grand National. Yeah, just look at that thing. That thing is a freaking beast. So let's go ahead and start our review. Our first ever diecast review on Mr. Random Reviews. Let's get right into it. And to start our review on this beautiful 1988 Buick Grand National GNX. Now, this isn't just any Buick Grand National. You can just tell from the stance. Just look at the stance that this car has. You can tell it's something special. That's right. This is Dom's. Right there. Fast and the Furious. This is Dom's car. Don't quote me what Fast and Furious movie it is. I think it's the Furious 4. But this is a beautiful 124 scale diecast replica, like I said earlier, of Dom's 1988 blacked out Buick Grand National GNX. Now just take a look. I mean, first of all, that's actually one of my favorite parts about this car is the rims. They're just absolutely super sleek. Just that black, those black Krager style rims. Really can't go wrong with that. But take a look at this front end of this car. Look at the level of detail. Mind you guys, this is a 124 scale, and look how much detail they've managed to put into this diecast model car. Yes, Mr. Random Reviews, that's the name of my channel. Not only do I review Crown Victorias and cars and RC cars, but I'm also going to do diecast car reviews. If you guys love this, if you guys are into this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Take a look at the detail of that interior. This is a 124 scale model car, guys. Look, you can see the gauges. If you look really closely, you can see the gauges. You can see the center console. Look at the camera focus here. Look at that steering wheel. Look at the actual seats and the glove box and everything else. Look at the amount of detail that has gone into the interior of this vehicle. I mean, let's go ahead and take a closer look. Look at the gauges in the dashboard. This thing is 124 scale. It's not big by any means. They even got the nitrous in the trunk. I'm telling you, if you guys are interested in this, this is called a JADA or JADA, JADA Toys diecast models. They have the whole Fast and Furious collection. We're going to be doing a whole bunch of different ones if you guys can enjoy these kind of videos. I mean, look at the door panels. They even got the grooves in the door panels, guys. But like I was saying, if you guys enjoy these kind of videos, this is kind of like a little trial run right here. I do have a police Charger and a Crown Vic as well. Let's go ahead and take a look at that 3.8 liter turbocharged engine. Look at the amount of detail that has gone into this diecast model. They got the intercooler, the turbo. Look at the stance this car has. Look at the presence this thing has. The way it sits, they got it to the T. The suspension, like I said earlier, the tires, the rim setup, everything. This is Dom's car to the T. Look at the stance. Look at the presence that this car has. It is absolutely menacing. It is so badass. And I am very proud to own this model right here. Not many of these were made. This is part of the Fast and Furious series of the diecast cars. Like I said, it's JADA Toys, but look at every angle that you look at this Buick Regal Grand National here, and it's just stunning. Every curve, every sharp edge. Look at the rims. Look at the profile. Look how lowered this thing is, man. Look at the stance on that. Look at the paint job. Simply amazing. They got the dual exhaust in the back. Fast and Furious license plate as well. Either way, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. It's your boy, Mr. Random. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up if you enjoyed these kind of little diecast reviews, and I'll definitely be doing more in the future, as you guys can see from the beginning of that video. Either way, I'll catch you guys on the next one.